How to view T5 slips on CRA My Account. So first of all, go to scanner.ca, en.html, and make sure you're signed in. So once you're there, what you'll have to do is in this site. So here you'll have to see, you'll have to just scroll down and go to this taxes section. So once you're in the taxes section, basically you can find the CRA lists in the forms and publications. So now you'll simply go to the forms and publications from here. So once you're in the forms and publications CRA section, so here you can see you will be listed with the CRA forms, all CRA forms listed by number and title. So simply press there, and here if you want to find the T5 slip, so you'll simply filter the item. So you will be listed with all the different of those slips, and then you can simply search for T5 right here. So simply search uh, T5. So once you do that, here you'll be listed with all the T5, and then basically you might be searching for the statement of income, investment of income. So you'll simply go and press there, and from here you'll get a notice to reader, and then you'll be soon with the ways to get the form. So you can download and fill out with Acrobat Reader. So you can download and open fillable PDF, and you can also get a standard print of this thing. So you can also ask for alternate format according to your wish as well. So that's it for the video. Hopefully the information was helpful. Thank you.